Hello my friends, welcome to solve this math problem. To simplify this square root of 5 over 6 minus square root of 27. In the first step, we write this as square root of 5 over 6 minus square root of 27, and we write this as 9 times 3. And this is equals to square root of 5 over 6 minus square root of 9 times 3, and as you know, if we have square root of a times b, we can write this as square root of a times square root of b. So in here, we write this as square root of 9 times square root of 3, and it will be square root of 5 over 6 minus square root of 9 is 3 square root of 3. And in next step, we multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So it will be square root of 5 times 2 over 6 minus 3 square root of 3 times 2. And it will be square root of, here it will be 5 times 2 is 10, and 6 times 2 is 12, and minus 3 square root of 3 times 2, it will be 6 square root of 3. And in here we can write square root of 10 over 12, and we write 12 as 9 plus 3, and minus 6 square root of 3, and we can write this as 2 times 3 times square root of 3, right? So in next step, we write square root of 10 over 9. We can write 9 as 3 to power of 2 and plus 3, and we can write 3 as square root of 3 to power of 2 and minus 2 times 3 times square root of 3. And here this denominator is in the form of a square plus b square and minus 2ab, and it will be a minus b to power of 2, right? Which is a is 3 and b is square root of 3. So in here we can write this as square root of 10 over a minus b to power of 2. It will be 3 minus square root of 3 to power of 2. And as you know, if we have a square root of a over b, we can write this as a square root of a over square root of b. So in here, we write this as square root of 10 over square root of 3 minus square root of 3 to power of 2. And this is equals to, in here this 2 will cancel this square root, and it will be square root of 10 over absolute value of 3 minus square root of 3, and absolute value of this, it will be 3 minus square root of 3. And in next step, in here, we rationalize this fraction, and it will be square root of 10 over 3 minus square root of 3. To rationalize this, we multiply numerator and denominator by this denominator conjugate pair. So it will be multiplied by 3 plus square root of 3 and 3 plus square root of 3. So it will be, in here for denominator, this times this is in the form of a minus b times a plus b, and it will be a square minus b square, right? So, and in here it will be 3 square is 9 minus square root of 3 square, it will be 3. And for numerator, we have square root of 10 times 3 plus square root of 3. And it will be, we have 9 minus 3, it will be 6. And in here we have square root of 10 times 3 plus square root of 3. And we can write this as square root of 10 over 6 times 3 plus square root of 3. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.